Hey guys, it's Jose and I'm back for another reaction. We are here to do J-HOPE Airplane. This was dropped today like a bomb, like nobody knew. 12 Hitophobia is here again to strike. Like legit, tomorrow we might get another one. Don't quote me on that, I'm just saying, like we never know. Big Hit just drops these bombs. But yeah, J-HOPE Ooh, I cracked, my voice cracked. Y'all know when my voice cracks, it's about to be something else. J-HOPE Airplane. I love Hope World, like that mixtape. Oh, I'm obsessed with it. I can play it from beginning to end on repeat like forever. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. What the hell? I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay. J-HOPE Airplane. Woo, woo, woo. It feels good to be doing this again. Let's go. Okay, like it feels good, but I know I'm gonna be pausing. By the way, I'm a pauser if you don't know me. I'm a pauser, but I'm trying my best not to. Okay. Too much talking, Jose. Okay. Press play. Okay. We ain't got no time for no ads. Okay. He looks so good. Ooh, look at that. Wait. Why isn't it pausing? Did you guys see that? When he was breathing, well, he wasn't breathing, like he was talking, singing, rapping. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. Ooh, they did that. They got like right at the, okay, they knew. They probably was like a plane's about to leave right now. Or maybe it's effects, I don't know. Awesome. I like that they included the subtitles. Green champagne in my airplane. Over the clouds, because you're an angel. And the sun, so you're... Okay. He is doing the damn thing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Ooh, that's the set for Daydream, right? It's just like different images, of course, but like that's the set for Daydream. You're not my bias. You're not my bias. Okay, you're coming for me. He just has that. Okay. He just has that. Okay. Okay, that'll make sense. But it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Airplane. I don't know what I'm doing. First of all, he looks hella good. Second of all, that is a vibe. Third of all, can we get a warning? Because it's like, you really be doing this a lot, Big Hit. And it's like, I appreciate it, but then I don't appreciate it because we're being fed. But at the same time, it's like, can you give me a warning that you're about to feed me? You know what I'm saying? Can you give me a warning so I can at least put, you know, like a little napkin or something, and then like sit at the table and be like, okay, I'm ready, even though we're not gonna be ready. This is going somewhere else. But it's like, I feel like you're going with me. Like, you understand. Okay. Support J-Hope. Which, by the way, he broke in, like, not... I tweeted about this with just 1 day of sales, but it wasn't even just the full day. It was like with just 14 hours, he cracked 4 Billboard charts. Come on now, what kind of impact? I mean, we expected it. What else? We didn't expect anything less. But it's just like, yes, he did that with Hope World. He like that. You can literally stream that for free on SoundCloud. You don't need to buy it. Like, it's right there for free. Listen to it. But no, he actually sold. And he got streams. He got my streams because I'm on Spotify too, and I bought it on iTunes. You know that for sure. But what I'm saying is, like, he really did that. Okay. He looks hella good. Did I ever say that? But I can say it again because it's true. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, share. And until next time, guys.